Give me a minute. Jesus.
Are you tired?
Oh yeah, I'm exhausted.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. Got a special surprise for you. Justin, what are we doing today?
Driving your shifter cart. I'm gonna drive your shifter cart.
How many times have you driven a shifter cart?
0.
This is your first time?
Oh yeah.
What are your thoughts, man, before you go out there?
Yeah, I don't know what to expect. I just feel like it's gonna be a lot going on, but I can't really imagine something having more power than the DD2 I drove had. And it's been a while. I only drove the DD2 one time for 10 minutes. Other than that, it's been my VLR, which has around 20 horsepower, and your cart has
About 42, 43.
42, twice the horsepower.
Right.
And 5 more gears. So yeah. When I put it that way, I'm a little nervous now, but I'm excited for it. It's a nice day, so.
All right, we're gonna get Justin in the cart and get him going, and we'll see how it goes.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Should be.
Yeah, you should be nervous because you're paying for the damn thing if you wreck it.
I'm gone.
Yeah.
I'm leaving. You'll never see me again.
Probably not. All right, dude. Can we get push you?
Yeah, give it a sec.
Hold on a second. Let me.
You have a different seat than me. Yeah, it'll work.
So you'll be in neutral rolling. Just put it in first gear at the same time. Give it a touch of gas. It'll fire up. You don't need the clutch. It'll fire up and just take off, okay? And you're good to go, man.
Put it in neutral right now.
Yeah, I think you're in neutral. Yeah. So you'll take about 2 laps. Watch your water temperature. Make sure you go about over 100, and then you can get on it. And then if it goes over 150 for any reason, bring it in. And then, yeah, man, just, you know, you got to warm the brakes up too and the tires. So just be careful first 2 laps, and gradually, first lap, probably just cruise around. Second lap, start picking it up. And then third and fourth, you're probably good to go.
So I guess when I'm on the start, do I need to pull the clutch in, put it in first, and then let off?
No, just put it in first.
Put it in first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you don't need the clutch for anything right now.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions?
I'm ready.
All right, dude. Let's go.
Ready? Yeah.
Wow. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. Give me a minute. Jesus.
Are you tired?
Oh yeah, I'm exhausted. Yeah, I noticed in like some of the corners, I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
And you're right, you've got to like manhandle it to
Yeah, I noticed he missed a shift in the straight.
Yeah.
I heard it. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Wow.
What do you think
fun.
about the acceleration?
Oh, it's awesome. I mean, it's got twice the horsepower of the VLR, and you can feel it. I mean, it doesn't, you know, the VLR feels quick. It's pretty punchy, but this one just a whole nother level, and you feel it throw you back when you're really on it. It's awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I want one now. I do want one. It's awesome.
I thought you would, man.
It'd be fun to come out here. I think I would need like 3 or 4 sessions, and I'd get a lot smoother. And just need to watch videos. And then this kart's obviously not set up for me. You can see my knees are in the clutch and in the shifter, so I've got to kind of drive.
Yeah.
I've got to kind of drive funny. I've got to keep my legs spread open. I'm kind of got long legs here.
Well,
But,
throw some more fuel in it, dude, and take it out again.
yeah, I think I will. I think I'll take you up on that. That was awesome.
Don't be shy.
That was
Okay.
awesome, man.
Cool,
Yeah.
man. Glad
Yeah.
that you liked it, man.
Yeah.
It looked pretty good out there, man. For your first time, looked pretty good.
It felt just, yeah, I can't imagine just people that are super smooth with this. I have a lot of respect for them because it's hard. And they make it look easy. You know, you watch YouTube videos, people, professional racers, but it's like, geez, man, you got so much going on. You got to modulate
yeah.
your brakes perfectly. You've got to shift perfectly. And you can't forget the most basic thing. You've got to steer. So,
What do you think about the fitness level
oh,
to drive one of these? What's the
it's
fitness
gonna
level to
take
drive
it-
one?
It's going to take it to another level. I just did 7 laps, I think. I did 7 laps, 8 laps, and I'm I'm exhausted.
And 2 are warm-up laps, so they didn't really count.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just I think for me it was just so overwhelming to think of everything, and I need a drink of water after that. I'm like,
All right, man. Well, let's get you settled down a little bit,
Yeah.
and we'll get you back in the cart for
yeah,
part 2.
Sounds good, man.
Ready?
Yep.
Neutral. There you go. Go. so that was Justin's ride in the shifter cart. So what'd you think, man?
Well, I didn't wreck it, so that's a win.
Yeah, I would agree.
So much power. Once you're in the right gear and spin it up at high RPMs, crazy fast.
Yeah, one thing we had we had to make an adjustment on the jetting, and once we got that, it was kind of jumpy in the corners. If you're kind of on the throttle just a little bit, it really hops a lot and it's really jerky. So we had an adjustment on that, and it was a lot smoother. So Justin drove it again, and what'd you think the second time?
It was a lot better the second time for sure. Still, it's just so hard to be smooth, so hard to get all those shifts right. You have to drive it very aggressively as far as, downshifting, upshifting. You have to really pull on it, push on it. It's not, I'm more of a motorcycle rider, and a lot of motorcycles are very easy to shift with your foot. This one, you've got to really pull on it. And yeah, I'm not used to having front brakes too, so everything on that kart's different to drive. It was awesome.
What are your thoughts on it, like the acceleration compared to your VLR?
It's got a lot more. Once it gets to the right RPM, you're in the right gear, it takes off. I noticed when you're going down that front straight, you can tell you're going a lot faster. So you're probably going, what, 15 miles an hour faster. So you can feel that when you're sitting 1 inch off the ground for sure.
So you were telling me turn 12 on the track out here that it, I told you about it, like that's the coolest part in the shifter, and you experienced it. What were your thoughts?
Yeah, it's crazy because it's a shift point, and you feel like you're just going to get launched off the track, kind of like you told me.
Yeah.
There's a little hill there, and you don't really notice it much on the single speed karts when you're just steering, but on the shifter it just picks up speed so quick. You kind of get this sensation, a little bit of vertigo in your stomach. It feels like it's gonna just launch off.
Yeah, I always feel like it's going to launch me off the track and into the grass, and but it always catches, and you're just like, man, that was the coolest thing. But it was kind of scary. But let's come back around in a few seconds and do it again.
Yeah.
So if you're lucky enough to have a friend that a good friend like me that has a shifter cart, you're so lucky, and is willing to let you drive it, man. If they offer, say yes. Take them up on it. You're not going to regret it. Doug's over here in the corner. Being funny.
Messing with us.
Hey guys.
What do you think of shifter karts, Doug?
I like shifter karts. I have one of my own.
He's behind it.
But I would much rather drive my Sodi VLR chassis than drive the shifter cart because it's much easier to drive. It's to me, it's more fun. It's not as complicated, but it's really in what you want. I mean, if you want the ultimate, go with a shifter.
When did you start driving karts, Doug?
1984.
80s. Okay.
I'm old.
1984. Wow. That's a book.
Okay, so I think we've had enough of Doug's shit, so get the hell out of here, dude. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that video there. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't, and subscribe if you have not. And as always, I definitely appreciate all of you for watching the videos. We recently hit 1 million views overall on the channel, and it's all because of you guys taking the time out of your day to watch the videos, and I hope you're getting something out of them, or just entertainment if anything. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.